Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Investors fund impact startups. Here's a list of the primary reasons. The startup furthers social and environmental causes that align with the investor. Investors want to see their investment do more than just generate a return. The startup shows strong growth potential and targets a large market. Investors want to solve large problems. The startup has a strong social mission and can create real change at scale. Investors want to see their impact scale up. The startup meets the individual investor's philanthropic mission. Investors have impact objectives they want to achieve. The startup needs mentorship. Investors want to share their experience with startups. The startup diversifies the investor's portfolio. Investors want to broaden their portfolio for several reasons, including investment. There's an old saying, angel investors want to make a little money, have a little fun, and do a little good. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.